Welcome to this introduction to the Lundhs real stone objects available for the Revit BIM authoring system. In this particular release we have floor wall tiles and countertops. So to place out these objects into your project, we're using the BIMobject app. Search for Lundhs. This will load up the available products. Here we're going to select the Lundhs blue floor tiles. As you can see here, what we are presented with is the product page, which has specification links, related information, classification information, regions for availability, and property sets which can be added using the BIMobject plugin post-placement. We have a material textures file which relates to these particular objects, as well as a texture image library. Select on the Revit project here to load into your instance of Revit, and you can see here we have a note saying the default location for the textures. To add a object into your project here, simply cut and paste this into your Revit project, and then in this case we have arrayed the placement of these floor tiles. If we select one of these tiles and we'll go into the edit type, as you can see here we have all of the product specific information, as well as the product page information which is embedded into the object files. Next we're going to take a look at placing out a wall tile. So we'll select one of the wall tile product pages here, and again we hit download. The project containing these products is automatically loaded into your instance of Revit, and again we just cut and paste the particular object that we want to place out into our project. So here we have made an arrangement of tiles along the wall there. And lastly, what we're going to have a look at is placing out a countertop. So we select the Lundhs blue countertop, for example, here. Now this is different to the tile projects in the fact is this is a family, not a system family. So this places out similar to a standard family or object in our project. So we just roughly place this out here. And then we'll go into the settings to change the size of this particular component. So as you can see here, we have options for the edge profile and the side geometry. So in this case we will choose a rounded edge for both ends, and we will just change the dimensions here for the width and the length, and we confirm, and we'll just move this into a correct position for our design here for this countertop unit. We'll just change the view here to realistic, and here's a quick rendering to show an example of out of the box Revit renderings of these products. These objects are available now on BIMobject.com. Thank you for watching.